Well, that didn't do much. That's cool. Looks like we're getting a little ice storm tomorrow, so I better top off the truck. That's not annoying. And bingo. Just in case I want to get that sander topped off, I really ought to clean the window on this thing. Alright, let's go over and check out the sand pile. I gotta fix that light. Check out the situation. Looking good. The pile's all clear. Got sand too. Alright, let me get this thing parked. Yeah, plenty of sand. Alright, let's go get the loader. Alright, pull into the pile here. Let's get one scoop is all we're gonna need. Well, we'll see what happens. We're supposed to get ice. It's not even supposed to be snow. It's supposed to be some type of ice storm. But we got sand. We are loaded up and ready for whatever they throw at us in the morning. So we'll get up, check it out. Probably get up about 4, see what it looks like, and go from there. And that's going to be really annoying while I'm filming, isn't it? Well, here's an early morning update. We got nothing but ice. I gotta refill the sander. It's empty again. This is all solid ice. Can't scrape it, can't do anything but just keep coating it in sand. Unbelievable. Just making laps over and over. This is just unreal. But we're getting there. It's starting to melt and break up a little. Well, it looks like it finally switched over to rain from ice, but look at this. Everything's still ice. It's all ice. Oh, it's actually scrapable now. I should go and make a few rounds. Salt and sand really got in there and broke it up a little. Maybe I'll scrape it up now. What a storm though, huh? They said it was going to be ice, but we never get ice like this. Unreal. Gonna be using a lot of this today. Well, luckily that came out problem-free. That's a sheet of ice like everything else. This one portion right here is always a nightmare. Look at that slope. You slide right towards those cars. That's pretty much how everything looks. I'm gonna fire up the old sidewalk truck here. Uh-oh. There she goes. Cool. Alright, let this sit and defrost and we will be back. Alright, let's do the sidewalk. Take a quick ride with me. My new camera mount works pretty good. Now up here it's going to get a little hairy. A little tight. Hold on. Ah, it's getting blurry. This one I don't technically fit, but we'll make it. Like that. Oh, look at that. Like a glove. Little tire rub. Perfect. What do people think when they see a Jeep coming down the sidewalk? At least this ice is coming up. What a mess. Alright, let's go turn it around. shut the loader off for now, or the skid steer rather. And then we gotta go get the other truck. Hang on. Alright, back into my truck, and we gotta hit the road. Park this. There you go, there's a little sample of what we're dealing with all day today. That's it. Unreal. Over here, and just slides. Unbelievable. Solid ice. For my equipment is all solid ice. And it's just raining out right now. Look at that. Won't even break. Solid. Wow. Oh man, getting there. Out here at the sand pile again. Everything's still all ice. Usually during the day it warms up and this stuff goes away. Not today's storm. Wow. That's what everything was like today. It's fun to play with though. Yeah, I gotta load the sander. There's my spoiler. It's still coming down. Just ice, ice, ice everywhere. Look at this. Well, tomorrow's another day. Head back out. Look at my mirror. Jesus. It won't even break. It's that solid. Wow. Yep. We still got some ice. What a storm though, huh? Good morning. Welcome to day 3. Beautiful, isn't it? Dangerous, but beautiful. The entire state looks like this. Forgot to plug this in. It's cold, so you gotta let it run for a little bit before we use it. 27 degrees, not too bad. Tomorrow's only supposed to get up to like 20. Everything's ice, but as you can see, we've got pavement. Good stuff, huh? A little icy here and there, but not bad at all. Those trees though, huh? The old girl done good. Made short work of this storm. Well, long work, but still. It came out fine. I seriously don't even know how many this is now. A lot of sand. There's literally ice falling out of these trees as we speak. Thank God it's far back and not hitting anything. Much nicer to do this from inside where it's warm. Alright, well hopefully you all enjoyed that. I like doing these little vlogs throughout my daily life, I guess I could say, throughout my regular, what I'm doing, my process, what I do during the day. You know, I like making little clips, putting it together in a little vlog and sharing with you all, and this was one of those incidents where I was able to do that. This was tough. Ice is tough. You give me a foot of snow, 3 feet of snow, no big deal. We'll plow it, we'll deal with it, no big deal. But when you got ice like that, ice is tough. Ice is tough to deal with. You can't scrape it. You can't plow it. You can't really do much with it. You just got to lay a bunch of sand salt mix down on it. Hope the sun comes out. Hope the temperature goes up and that it softens up enough where you can actually scrape it. In this case, it really didn't. The temperature stayed below freezing, well below freezing for the last few days, and with the sun beating down on that black asphalt, it was able to heat it up enough with the sand salt mixture as well on top of it to loosen it up enough to actually get it up. So we dealt with it. We took care of it. We had dry pavement when the rest of the state still had ice, and nobody got hurt. No equipment got broke. You know, nobody fell on the ice or nothing like that. So we did good. Our job is done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, I like doing videos like this once in a while, just short clips throughout my daily process, and hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thanks for taking a ride with me, and get out there and discover your world. You never know when you'll find an inch of ice outside your front door one morning. Have a great day, friends. Thanks for watching.